Cartoon logos are associated with fun, optimism, and cheerful mood. Brands that want to be accepted as such often decide to go for a cartoon logo, and usually, they manage to win the hearts of potential clients from a first glance. In 2021, not only will cartoon logos be super hot, but they will be animated, as well. The animation enhances the fun effect of the illustration and breaks the ice between a brand and a client even more. Why? Because it looks friendly, easygoing, and entertaining. Black and white logos will never go out of style. They are classy, simple, don't distract, and go with every design. In most cases, designers create color in a black and white version of the same logo. But sometimes, the black and white version speaks so loudly that a color version isn't even necessary. Here are a few impressive black and white logos. Logos usually carry hidden or not so hidden meaning in their designs. Whether to depict the most important values of the brand or the activity of the brand itself, designers are using different techniques to make the logo speak and keep it simple at the same time. Quite popular for the purpose is using negative space technique and symbols replacing part of the letters. Highly simplified logos made of basic geometric shapes will keep being on top of the charts. Minimalistic logo designs are one of the preferred styles in this industry. They can easily and delicately be implemented in all kinds of brand identity materials without being a distraction. To make them more memorable, designers usually use a unique color code or color scheme along with a black and white version. Squares are symbols of stability and balance. Therefore brands often prefer it to convey exactly these qualities. The squares in logo design 2021 may be obvious but sometimes even disguised thanks to using a negative space technique. Gradients in logo design will keep being trendy in 2021. Gradients allow designers to turn simple logos into more complex visual interpretations. The seamless transitions from one color to another or different nuances of the same color makes the logo more dynamic and mesmerizing. One of the most popular uses of gradients in logo design lately has been combining bright, vivid colors that create beautiful palettes. Depending on the purpose, the palettes may depict natural phenomena such as the colors of the sunset or help achieve a futuristic, dreamy look that speaks of originality and innovation. The retro effect is not trendy for logo design trends but for graphic design trends 2021, as a whole. Whether it's the effect of a worn-out paper, a grunge effect, retro patterns, or using retro color schemes, i.e. natural pastel tones, the retro design is making a huge comeback and it looks more modern than ever. You may also be interested to check out more examples of retro design in modern times. Using metallics in logos such as gold and silver is a sign of a high class and sophistication. In 2021, the metallic effect will be an absolute hit in logotypes and logo marks. The combination of metals and engraving for the physical version of the logo, on business cards, labels, marketing materials, creates the feeling of exclusiveness and custom tailoring. Logotypes in 2021 will tell so much you wouldn't even need an image. Custom-made fonts especially designed for logos have always been a top choice of designers and businesses. Logotypes will be a part of Logo Design Trends 2020, either depicting the word itself literally or speaking to the audience with a hidden meaning. Isometric logos and logos imitating 3D effect are still going to be a thing in 2021. By depicting a 3D object on a 2D surface, the main advantage of these logos is that they create depth. Combined with other trendy looks, such as gradients, outlining, bright colors, we will definitely see a lot of isometric logo designs in 2021. Using semi-transparent elements is quite modern right now, and we predict that the trend will continue in 2021, as well. Semi-transparency in logos not only looks cool but it carries an important meaning. Brands that use it communicate transparency, and transparency helps build trust.